My project for today was to get this sprocket off of here. These things are on there pretty tight. It fits on a taper, and they had really socked that nut up on there really tight. I had a devil of a time getting the nut off there. Well, it's not very elegant, but this sprocket is heat treated, which it should be for as difficult it is to make that thing. And I put the pipe wrench on there and used the impact wrench to get the nut loose after dousing it with some penetrant. The thing with the impact wrench is you got to keep tension on this nut to keep it tight all the time, because the vibration loosens up the big pipe wrench. But that got it off. That's what it took to do it. So I'm making some progress. And so to get the sprocket off, I used this wheel puller. Put that wheel puller on the sprocket. Used this chain wrench to hold the arms on the sprocket, and put as much tension as I could on there. I tried heating it up and everything, and that thing would not come off there. Penetrant, everything I could think of, but I needed to get the sprocket off so I could make a tool in order to get sprockets off, because there's another one on the other side that I got to do. So finally I got the sprocket off, come off with a bang. I kind of thought it was on a taper, but I wasn't sure. It was really on there. So today I made this tool, which is going to thread. This thread's on here. I had to get the sprocket off so I could go down and cut the threads on there. About 18 threads per inch did the trick. Of course, I'm sure this is a metric thread on there, but so I can't really make a perfect thread, but I think I made something that'll pass. And that screws on there, and then tighten this screw, and I should have a way to get these sprockets off anytime I want to do it. So it took me, I probably worked on this thing a couple hours before I got this right. By the time I hunted up some material, a piece of something to make it out of, and I wanted it out of steel because I thought it would last longer if it's steel, and I didn't want to take a chance of aluminum threads pulling out or something. If you're going to make something, you kind of want to make it as good as you can if it takes that much time to make it. So now I've got a way that I'll be able to screw that onto the thing, and the handle comes loose. I can take the handle off, screw this onto the sprocket, and give it a pull and get the thing off. And I'll show you the reason I needed to make something like that is, as you can see here, I got another one on this side that I need to take off. So once I can pull on this, I can take this clutch basket off, chain and everything off, and then I'll have this side stripped down, since both sides are done now, and I should be about ready to split the cases, and then we'll see what's inside. But that was it for today.